Question 22. Alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation x squared plus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. So the quadratic equation have the roots of alpha squared plus 1 and beta plus 1 is what? Okay, so method 1. By checking the sum of root and product root of the initial quadratic equation. So we get alpha plus beta is -3, alpha times beta is 5. So let us check the sum of root and product root here. Okay, so the sum of the new roots, it should be alpha squared plus 1 plus the beta squared plus 1. So it should be equals to alpha square plus the beta square plus 2. And then we can change the alpha square plus beta square into alpha plus beta all square, but then this one has the extra 2 alpha beta, so you have to minus the 2 alpha beta and then add the plus 2. So you can substitute your value into the alpha beta here. So you get -3 all square minus 2 times 5 plus 2. So you get 1, positive 1. And then by looking at the new sum of root, let us check the answer A, B, C, D. Definitely you know that C and D are not correct because your sum of root should be -b over A, right? Okay, so this is not correct. And by looking at the A and B, because due to the negative b over A, so -1 divided by 1, so it should be A. This is method 1. Method 2. If you really forget, okay, or you don't are afraid of doing this expand, so you can use quadratic program. Because today our alpha and beta is our third and fourth output, which will be stored in x and y. Okay, so for us, we can use our quadratic program and then type the 1, 3, and 5. Let's see. For our quadratic program, 1, 3, and 5. So you need the third and fourth output. Third one, store in x. Fourth one, store in y. So on, and then you can check the new sum of root. So it's 1. You can also get the same answer. And then by looking at the sum of root, you can check that, okay, A is the correct answer. This is method 2. Still, you have to know how to use your program and also the sum of root here, then to skip the intermediate step. What if I really don't know the formula of sum of root or product root? No worry, you can still get the answer. Let's see. Because now I already know that my root, this is one of my root, x squared plus 1, it should be 0.5 minus something. Okay, minus something I. So I can write down minus 4.97i. And then for my y squared plus 1, it will be plus 4.97i, something like this. So these two are my new roots. What I need to do is that I check A, B, C, D, which one get the same roots as these two. So let's see. Program. For example, I type 1, -1, and 25. The third one, 1 over 2 is 0.5, right? And then shift exe, you get the plus 4.97i. This is correct. And the second one, 0.5, and then I misclicked it, so let's see. Yes, the y, okay, which is the another root, will be 0.5. It should be minus 4.97i. So A is the correct answer. Even you don't know the sum of root and product root, you can use our program to counter check, okay, which one get the same root, okay, same new root, okay, as the alpha squared plus 1 or beta squared plus 1. And also let us check B. You don't get the correct the same answer. So 1, 125 So you see that it's negative 1 over 2 or negative 0.5, so it's not correct. So by looking at our program, you can use different methods to do so. Even you don't have the concept, you don't know the formulas, you can still get it.